Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to close a tab in Chrome browser using a shortcut. So guys, as we can see we have these open tabs, and if you want to close using shortcut, easy way and popular way, you click here to close this tab or this page like this. And also guys, you can close using shortcut. So you have to press like you are here. So press Windows key plus W. That's it. So in this way you can close pages in Chrome browser using shortcut. Press Ctrl plus W like this. Thanks for watching guys. Please comment this video useful for you or not. By the simple steps we can know how to close videos using a shortcut. Please share, like and subscribe to the channel for more useful videos.